Hey guys, Dazzling Dave here, and I'm back at Maranatha Christian Academy. And I come here every year to teach the kids how to yo-yo. And this year I'm getting a lot of students who are wanting to learn string tricks. So I figured I'd put together a video just showing in a row all the order and possibilities of string tricks that you can do. You could do this with a responsive yo-yo or a non-responsive yo-yo. Today I'm going to be using one of my favorites, the Fusion. That is a yo-yo that's great for long spins, because it has stainless steel rims on the outside allowing it to spin, an aluminum body so you can barely tell this thing's even spinning. It's balanced great, and it's wonderful for doing string tricks. It is non-responsive or friction-free, so it doesn't come up when you tug. You have to know how to bind. And before I even start showing the string tricks, I want to talk quickly about binding. One side of the yo-yo is for tricks, the other side of the yo-yo is for binding. Let me explain. Hard straight throw. This side closest to you, that is the trick side where you do mounts. If you want to bind, you go to the back side. The back side binds. If you try to bind on the wrong side, it just falls out. It won't bind. So you always have to be on the back side for the bind. When you're doing this style throw, the side style throw, well, you can't bind there. That's the trick side. You have to get out, go to the back side to bind. Enough about binding. Make sure you check all that out and learn how to do your bind properly. But right now, the string tricks. Number one, the most basic elevator. Hard straight sleeper. Bring it up with your fingertip coming up away from you. Line it up with the bottom of the yo-yo and then simply pull your hands apart. It looks like the yo-yo is moving by itself, but it's not. Sliding up and down just because I'm pulling my hands back and forth. So you line up at the bottom, pull to the top, and back down. If you have a tug yo-yo at that point, just tug it, it'll respond to you if it's spinning fast enough. In this case, I have to bind. After you're getting good at doing that elevator, then it's trying to do brain twister. Hard straight throw, pick it up just like you're gonna do that elevator, but stop. Do the mount. Notice the mount is when the string goes into the yo-yo and your hands touch the string above it. That is known as the mount. And as soon as you mount, you wanna do a somersault. Your yo-yo hand does the mount, the somersault. Don't forget, dismount. And then, of course, bind. After you get good at doing the brain twister, do multiple brain twisters. That's mount, somersault 1, somersault 2. If you get good at it, try to do a bunch of them in a row. That is the brain twister. After brain twister, the easy version of Mach 5, sleeper, mount. Instead of doing a somersault, you take your yo-yo finger, just the one with the string attached, and you put it between the two strings. And when you put it between the two strings, you then rotate your offhand forward to lock it. You then can roll both hands. That's Mach 5, the easy version. The hard version is when you go from a split bottom mount, left under, left over, lock it and roll both. In essence, they're both Mach 5. One's just easier to do. After you get good at doing Mach 5, maybe try to go do the trapeze. Make a muscle, throw it out across your body, land on the string. Hints on doing this one: throw it straight out to the side, have it come across. Notice how it lands right on the string. I'm keeping it close. If you try to go way far away from it, you'll probably miss. So keep it close to your non-yo-yo hand so it can land on that string. Once you get good at doing the trapeze, Lindy loop. Triple Lindy, roll it back out. Just live with the trapeze, swing it back and forth. Somersault, inside somersault, Eli hop. Lots of tricks that you can do from the trapeze. Hope you guys have had fun yo-yoing here at MCA this year, and I look forward to seeing you again next year. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.